Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da. Yo, it's Monday morning. Mega Money Mondays. We're gonna drop it like it's hot. Make some money, get real honey. Everybody's so funny, dropping them likes in the chat. Everybody wants to go and see what's whack. Nasdaq's going up, Nasdaq's going down. VWAP is the only thing that I'm surrounded now. We're gonna look for something to happen. It's Thanksgiving week, so let's give a little bit of thanks to the week ahead. Let's go. Little freestyle, baby. You know, I'm like, I got that like that. I got like that. I got that like that. I got like that, Dad. So don't forget that you're white. Shut the fuck up, Joe. I'm black. Haven't you seen the news? Gingers are black. That's right. Landon, you're half black, my friend. True story. If anybody ever asks, like, yeah, my dad's black. He's ginger. He's an albino black person. White chocolate. White chocolate. We got the fam in the house today. Landon's over there playing some. What you playing? You done playing? You done playing? You gonna make some money today? A little bit of money. Landon's gonna make a little bit of money. What's Landon's first car gonna be? I asked him that the other day. I think he's a little confused. Honestly, I think the best thing for him would probably be like a Super Duty. Get him a fucking... Nah. Super Duty's a fucking tank. That way if someone runs into him or he runs into somebody else, you know, he's gonna be alright. True story. Alright. It's Mega Money Monday! I like making a little bit of money. PW, drop your pants and I'll tell you if you're black or not. Hey, whoever, Unique Watson, that's fucking gay, bro. You want me to drop my pants? What are you, gay, bro? What are you, gay? Oh, that's pretty gay. That's pretty gay, man. That's a woman? I can't see the thumbnails, to be honest. I'm a black woman. All right. What's up, sister? What's up? Oh, man. I'm just kidding, by the way. Just having a good time. Yay, D-Money. You heard that freestyle? That's pretty good, right? Pretty good. You like that little freestyle? I think I got more swag than D-Money got. Just saying. You know, I never heard D-Money dropping no freestyle live on YouTube. Oh man, what a time to be alive! This weekend, I went up to Orlando, got my Nana. Nana's down here in South Florida right now. Picked her up on the private jet, flew her back. There's Landon. Landon's 13, flying on private jets, living the dream. Got Nana. She's 90, not 90. She's 89. 89 over there, just loving life, living the dream. BDH style, baby. Hey, that's what it's all about right there, my friends. That's what it's all about. Making a little bit of money, having a good time, spending a little bit of money. I told Nana to come to BDH. She said she's not ready for that live stream life. Maybe later this week we'll convince her. But right now she's at home chilling, drinking a cup of coffee, watching the sunrise. Well, I think it's rose. That sun be rose, but we'll see how she goes. Steven, my battery in the 69 Bronco, she dead. I need help. Help, Miss Steven. Help, Miss Steven. I got the new WRX STI coming in today or tomorrow. I gotta do an oil change on that too. I need help, Steven. Steven, help me. Help me, Steven. All right now, Nasdaq, pull it back here into the VWAP. Into the VWAP, let's go. I got sad news. Sad fucking news, chat. Sad news, man. Sad news. I'm off the fucking leaderboard. Dude, the crypto this weekend, I fucked up. I think I learned a good lesson, right? When it comes to trading crypto, at least for me personally. You know, I think the best time to trade crypto is when the stock market's open. It does move over the weekend, but fuck it, hey, what a crazy, just choppy market this weekend. I had a couple trades where I was up a few $1,000s, but look at Ethereum overnight. Absolute fuckfest. Just an absolute fuckfest on Ethereum. God. This is the Ethereum chart overnight. Like, what is this? Like, what are you going to do here? I was short. I was up like $1,000. Got stopped out here. It dumped. It pumped. It dumped. It pumped. Now it's back to where my entry was. So, it's so cool how you treat your Nana in style, you know? Gotta keep her looking good, feeling good. 89 years old. Living the dream. Big shout out to J-Wall. J-Wall right now sitting at 51% gain in a $5,000 account. That's pretty epic on warbucksbtc.com. Let's go. Guy paid $45 for an account. He's up $2,500. I'm gonna need I'm gonna need some cash. Help me out. Give me some cash. Give me some cash. Give me some cash, J-Wall. Give me some cash, man. Try to make a little bit of money. Partique That's kind of like Patrick, but Partik. That's my undercover name. My undercover name there. All right. We're just getting it started here. Lots of time, lots of action coming up this week. We've got Thanksgiving this week. We'll see how that affects the market. Short week. Friday is actually an early close. I will not be streaming on Thursday. Not streaming on Friday. I think D-Money might stream Wednesday morning because I'm getting my new boat on Wednesday morning. So, kind of just like a, holiday week. As we get closer and closer to the end of the year, to the holidays, the market kind of gets a little funky. We'll see what happens. Will we get the pump, the dump? Let's go. Right now, Nasdaq, looking here on the hourly chart, we did fill that very close to filling that Sunday night gap. And right now, just kind of sitting there. We've got that big dump there from Thursday. So like the middle of that big dump candle there on the hourly chart puts us back up to like maybe 24,800 up there. So might be something to be interested in. We'll see what happens here. Who's got big plans? Who's traveling for Thanksgiving? Who's staying home? How many of you guys are traveling? Who's staying home? I'm not going nowhere. I ain't going nowhere for no holiday. Someone said this looks like a big old bear flag. You're not wrong. Kind of. Maybe. Big old bear flag. We're right there at that hourly pivot as well. 24,500 area. Truck driver. I'm working. There you go. Do you get holiday pay for the truck driver? NQ Trader X said he's in Belgium. Well, you better start partying, bro. Get ready now, because it's Thanksgiving week. Yeah, by the way, we got a lot of deals happening this week. Right now, Apex is 80% off. $40 PA fee, $40 activation fee, which probably won't last much longer. I think today is the last day. We've got Take Profit Trader just came out with a new deal. It's 30% off, and then it's 100% refund if you pass the account. So if you pass the eval, they give you your money back, which is pretty wild. And then we've got Lucid right now, the 30%, or yeah, I think 30% or 40%. It's hard to keep track of all this stuff, man. It's hard. So we're getting ready. Oh, big shout out to Trade of 8 Prop. Trade of 8 Prop, the biggest, the largest, partnered with the BDH. Whenever you see me trading futures, you already know who I'm using. It's Trade of 8 Prop. Right now, I'm actually green. We traded last night. There. So we're up about, I don't know, we'll call it 5,000. We're up like $6,000 so far. I only need to make a little bit of money here, to be honest, on these accounts. So we're getting really close. Go to the 2-minute chart here. Two-minute chart here. This is the 1 hour chart. Let's pull up the 15-minute chart. Right now, we're above the VWAP. Those EMAs are just kind of flat looking right now. Little dump, the pump. Just kind of stuck here for now. So VWAP right now is right around that 24,470 area. I would say if we obviously can't hold the VWAP here at open, you got the London low area down there, 24,380. It's possible. You never know. We could go. We could go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, get it, go, 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 go. Music's got me pumping right now. Music's got me pumping. Boo. All right. Da-da-da-da. Going into open. Got a double top. A little double top right now here. At that 24,550 kind of area. For now, going into open, you got the kind of double bottom down there as well. So, a bit of a range here. It is a short week. Maybe a little bit less volume with the holidays. Maybe a lot of volatility. Who knows? I try to not really, think about it in the sense that I'm like, oh, hey, let's just make a little bit of money. So, that's the goal. We got some payouts with Warbucks BTC, if you haven't heard. People are already getting paid. People are already getting paid. Big shout out to Flacco Trades. Flacco Trades. First ever payout is going to be with Warbucks BTC. Wow. That's impressive. That's impressive. Okay. And then we got KC here, Kinnear, also getting the payout. So let's go. Trading the instant funded account. Everyone getting paid. Making a little bit of money. Also, if you're watching right now and you're a fan of mine, or maybe you're not a fan, or maybe you hate me, I don't know. We are looking to hire a social media manager, someone to help out with Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all that fun stuff. If you're interested, send an email to g@onlyprofirms.com with your resume. We'd like somebody who has some type of experience on Twitter, social media, but this can be a remote job as well, so let us know. g@onlyprofirms.com. We still got 20 minutes here till market opens. Who's that guy? Social media manager. Social media manager. All right, Nasdaq right now kind of pumping back up here, huh? Got a little pump back up there towards that double top now. 24,550 area. One more time. One more time. One more time. One more time. I'm going to, I got to answer a phone call really quickly. BRB. Times Square. All right, just, you know, clarifying that I cannot trade. Nasdaq pumping here. Okay. 24,570. 570 there. That's pretty funny. On Twitter. Addicts before and after. Cocaine, alcohol, crack, ICT. He does look happier. I'm not gonna lie. He does look happier. All right, it's Mega Money Monday. Y'all fired up? Everybody make some money? Gotta make some money here. All right. Trying to figure out what the vibe is. Music this morning. Not that one. That one. It's that one. That's the one. All right. Okay. As we get ready here for market open, Apex currently 80% off all evals. $40 activation fee. It ends today. Today is the day. Right now, Nasdaq sitting there. We just broke through this high there. That was a kind of a big pushback up there going into open now. Somebody said earlier, it looks like a big kind of bear flag. It does kind of look like a big bear flag, possibly, but I don't know. We'll see. I feel like this bear flag could kind of push all the way back up there, 24,800. So what do? You know, do you go short at open? Do you go long? $1 million question. Which way? 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 All right. Well, either way, we're going to make some money here. So let's see what happens. Being patient, just sitting back, waiting, watching, looking for the right opportunity. Give me a bull flag. Give me a bear flag. Give me a bull flag. Give me a bear flag. 5-minute cup and handle. Okay. Go long and close your eyes. Oh, shit. That's all we're doing? Just going long and closing my eyes? Going long, closing my eyes? All right. I tried paying for my account last night and it kept getting denied. Sherwin. At where? You just, that was your question? Patrick, I tried paying for my account last night and it kept getting denied. Where? Oh, at Warbucks. Yeah, I don't know about all of that. Someone said, good seeing the Warbucks truck on the morning drive today. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Let's go. Make it available in Pakistan. Yeah, I mean, I don't really control that, to be honest. Michael Monty said, "Hi, neighbor." That's kind of scary when you say it with a winky eye like that, Michael. It's a little scary, bro. It's kind of like a murderer vibes, like, "Hi, neighbor," wink, wink. I know where you live. I'm gonna murder you. Don't murder me, chat, please. Money Monday. Pat, are you ready? Oh, buddy. Come on now. You know I'm ready for that. I'm born ready. I'm born ready to make money. Landon's ready to make some money too. Everybody's ready to make some money today. Come on, Landon. Which way is it going to go? Up or down at open? Up? Up and then straight down? Oh my God. He's looking for the pump and then the dump. Hey. Not much. Yep. Yeah, no, that's fine. I'm not worried. Just clarifying. Yeah. Yeah. No, you're good. Yeah. Yeah. Do they put the tower on before it goes in the water? Yeah, yeah. 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 All right. Yeah, so I mean, yeah, I mean, worst kind of worst, we should be good for that tournament on Saturday, right? All right. All right. Yeah, yeah. Perfect. Thank you. All right. Later. All right. We got 8 minutes till market opens. 8 minutes. All right. Sorry. Dealing with life, man. My boat. Trying to get a fucking boat done. It ain't easy. And you know, it's always got to be around the fuck every time. It never fails. It's always classic, right? Like, let's finish the boat the week of Thanksgiving. So that way, you know, there's obviously going to be fucking issues because nobody works on Thanksgiving. And Friday, no one's work. It's like, fuck me. Like, why? Why would we plan to finish the boat the week of Thanksgiving? You gotta love it, you know? Why? Why would that happen? Why? I don't know. I can't control things, you know? I'm just a guy with money trying to spend it. Just trying to spend a little bit of money, man. Make a little bit of money, spend a little bit of money. We got about 5 minutes here till market opens, so just being patient, looking for a little bit of money, a little bit of money. Patrick, how are you doing on Warbucks? Still number one? I'm not number one anymore. I'm no longer on the leaderboard. Blew up. Blown. Rasmus, you must have a very, very lonely life because I see you here at least once a week. You went golfing with my captain, Danny, last weekend. Well, that's great. My fishing captain goes golfing more than he does go fishing, I guess, now. Great. I guess I need to hire a new fishing captain if he's going golfing every weekend. Funny how that works. And I'm sure Jason, the editor, was there as well, so I already told the editor, next time I see them playing golf together, they're both fired. Got no time for golf, people. We try to make money. The only people that are going to play golf are fucking people that are retired and people that are poor. Good morning, Pat. Serious question. How do I avoid blowing up yet still make payouts? Buy low, sell high. I'm not sure how that means. Patrick, can you win more than 50% of the time with the momentum strategy that you have? You know, I mean, yeah. Someone said, retired and poor, the true spectrum of golfers. I mean, I'm just being honest. Who the fuck has 8 hours to go spend chasing a little ball around, you know? Like, come on. You know, it's like, I'm not hating on golfing, but like, who the fuck wants to go chase a little white ball or yellow ball, whatever color ball you got? That seems really gay, you know? In an 8-hour period, I'm trying to do all kinds of crazy shit. Do you play any sports? Yeah, bro. I do off-road racing. I do fishing, foiling. There's nothing fun about golf. No, that is literally the most unfun thing ever. I don't care what anyone says. Going golfing is not fun. Like, you know, what is fun about it? Hitting a ball and then going after it? Gay racing is no sport. No, gay racing is a sport. You get a bunch of gay dudes together and you race each other. It's called gay racing, okay? Nor is fishing. Yeah, Jake, it is. It's called professional fishing. It's a sport. It's called sport fishing. Google it, you dumbass. Patrick, fishing isn't a sport. Well, it's called sport fishing. It's literally called sport fishing. The name of it is sport fishing. So how is it not sport? Look. What is the meaning of sport fishing? Recreational fishing, also called sport fishing or game fishing, is fishing for leisure, exercise, or competition. Exercise. I'm out there just getting my pump on. Reeling. Oh, man. Golf is fun when your bank is full and spieling. Nope, it's not. That's the most poor thing I've ever heard in my life. That they don't call basketball sport. Oh yeah, they do. Good sport. No one's gonna convince me differently. All right. No one is gonna convince me differently. Making money is a sport that I play, and I'm fucking good at it. All right. I'm good at making money. Yeah, try to reel in a 50-pounder from 300 feet. Shooting guns, that's a sport. There you go. EA Sports is in the game. See? I mean, their name is literally EA Sports. So, I mean, they in the game. Get in the game! Up or down at open, I don't fucking know. We got the VWAP to the downside. We just broke through this double top. Right now, the Nasdaq up about 1% on the day. We had a little bit of a gap up. The close on Friday down there. Will we get some push? We had Friday high there, 24,595. So let's see what happens. Who makes more money, pro golfers or pro fishers? Bro. That's got to be, that's literally the gayest thing I've ever heard in my life. It's not about how much money you got. It's about how many girls you got. All right, let's think about it. When you go golfing, how many girls are wearing bikinis? 0. You go on the boat fishing, how many girls are wearing bikinis? As many as you want. Okay, as many as you want. See? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's go on the golf course, stand around with a bunch of dudes talking about our shafts. You know, hey, bro, how stiff is your shaft? Oh, dude, I got the medium flex. Oh, medium flex shaft, huh? Yeah, nice. I got the real soft flex because I like a little softer shaft. Yeah, no, that's gay. Put me on a boat with a bunch of women fishing all day. Yeah, I'm gonna have a good time. All right, way different, way different. Here we go. Market is open. Do we pump or do we dump here? She's kind of pumping right now. She's kind of pumping right now. Well, not yet. Still slow. Still go. We got the VWAP to the downside. 470 area on the VWAP. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Name one pro fisherman that people know. Michael Jordan. There you go. There you go. Michael fucking Jordan. Name somebody better than Michael Jordan. Exactly. All right, they're holding up down there at the 520s for now. We're stuck right here at this 550 area. I do kind of think we're going to push. Oh, almost. There. Yep. Well, that was fuck me. I didn't have the right account. I'm gonna try a long. Dude, what am I doing right now? Go for the 600 push. Got some volatility here. Looking for this 600 break. This is a 2-minute chart, by the way. I wanted to get in long at the 550s, but I didn't have the right account selected, so I had to get long at 570, which might not be good, but we'll see if it can push through 600s. She likey. I likey. Let me just see. Maybe I'll take it right there for 20 points here. I didn't love my entry. There's 20 points. Not bad. From 73 up there to the 93s. There's 600 break now. Let's go. Let's go. Still going higher. Make some money. Landis making some money. Still pushing. We got the pivot point coming up there next. Thank you very much. Come again. Daddy will be here all day. All day, all day, all day. Oh, if you didn't make money, then you're doing something wrong. Let's go. Still pumping. Still pumping. She's still pumping. Right up there to the pivot point now. If you made money on that initial pump, let me know in the chat. I get fired up when I see people winning. When I like to see people winning. Look at that, 640s now. Holy fuck. She's going. She's gone. All right, well, 640 still pumping. It's the holidays, man. If we get above this, maybe go 660s. There next. Right there, we're above that pivot point now. Sometimes she just pumps, you know, just don't stop going. Futures Reaper took a W and faded Dakota. Oh, fuck yeah. We love fading Dakota around here. Nothing I love more than beating the retards. You know what I mean? It might sound fucked up, but to be honest, it's just, it's fun. You know? Nothing against retards, but we do like being better than them. You know, the question that you got to ask yourself is, if you can't beat the retards, then how are you going to even make money? All right, how are you even going to make money if you can't beat the retards? We're up $2,000 for 5 accounts. So that's $10,000 in profit. Somebody said that Ethereum's pumping. Oh, look at Ethereum also pumping here. Man, you ever look at the chart and go, man, why did I take profit? Yeah, no, that happens a lot. It happens a lot. It's a problem. It's a problem that I have. It's a problem that I have, you know. I'd be like, why me? All right, trading these Lucid funded accounts right now. We are, I think we are pretty much at a payout now. Let me see. I got to figure out. Let me look at this real quick. Still pumping. Fucking A. That's Ethereum. Nasdaq still going higher. That original entry from the 550s now absolutely fucking going to the moon. She is gone! By the way, we talked about this idea, right, of pushing up here towards the middle of that hourly candle there from the last Thursday, that big dump. So 24,800 right now. I mean, fucking A. Come on, chat. This is something else. Look at it. It's still going. It's not stopping. It's just going. Absolutely going right now. That's so annoying. That is so annoying. So annoying, man. Up there through the 300s now. Or, sorry, through the 700s now. Probably get some kind of pullback, right? Little pullback here after that big old pump. ES, big pump on ES, Nasdaq pumped. We're back, we're all the way up here. We broke through that pivot point, that next level, like I said, 24,800, kind of the middle of the big dump candle there. So can they go that high? Possibly. You never know. How much are these shorts going to get squeezed here? Right? How much do they get squeezed is always the question that you have to ask yourself. Right now, trying to hold up here at the 700s. New high would get us through the 22s. Break this high, maybe push a little bit more. See if we get a little bull flag set up here on the 1-minute chart. Little bull flag. Got the EMAs down there, 640s. I'd like to see if we get back, basically back above 700s here for a possible long. Just kind of let this pull back like it's doing right now. Get that pump back above 700, and then we go, possibly. There's that 700 test. Do we break 700s to get through there again? Still have not broken the previous candle high yet, so now that's like 697. So We'll see if this is kind of just keeps on dipping down, building out this bull flag for now. We're bouncing off that 9 EMA there, so kind of basically got to get back above 700 here for that bull flag to play out, right? Still just slowly pulling back there, 650s now. Got a pivot point at the 631s. Yeah, so basically just back above 700s here on the 2-minute chart. I'll be getting long. Back above 700 will be my entry for that long there. Right now, just being patient. Let that pull back a little bit more, maybe. Depending on where this candle closes, could maybe be kind of set up for another entry, but right back down there to the pivot point for now. 620s here now. Need to basically hold here, like hold this pivot point there, or we might start to dump back down. Looks like Nvidia kind of selling off here again. Nvidia selling off. Nasdaq needs to bounce off this pivot now. So now, depending on where this candle closes, if we get back above 670, that could be the long, basically. Just need to see how this candle closes here now. Got 30 seconds left on that candle. They're holding that pivot for now. The high of that last candle is 76s. Is that the entry here? Let's see if we get a little. I want to see a little bit of a wick down here, possibly. Come on. No. A little bit of a wick down. A little bit of a wick down. Come on. No. A little wick down, buddy. Can we get a little wick down there? No wick on the bottom of that candle right now. So I just want to see if we get a wick on the bottom of that 2-minute candle first. Now we got a little baby wick. Little baby wick. Let's look for that 700 breakout. Just like really a battle here right now. Just want to see us break through 700 there. 24,700, I might be looking for the longy dongy. Trouble there again, 680s, so patience. Back to that pivot again, just kind of chopping here. Just kind of chopping there for now. Right there at that pivot point, 633 area, 630s. You got 12 seconds on this candle where they squeeze it back up here quickly. We got obviously our 15-minute range. Do we have news today? We got news today, anybody? Let me look. I haven't even looked. I'm terrible. I'm getting bad at this. Yeah, it's Nvidia right now just kind of holding us down here. Yeah, it looks like we got Dallas Fed news, ECB President Lagarde speaking in 5 minutes. Maybe that'll be a little mover, but trouble on the Nasdaq here. Trouble. If they lose that 600s, could start to move back pretty quickly down there towards the 500s. Just be aware of that, obviously. Still just right there, 630 area for the Bulls and the Bears battling. Little pump, little bounce on Nvidia for now. They're still holding at that pivot. Just holding there. Nvidia is just kind of dipping. Nasdaq's sitting here. We're putting in kind of lower highs. Just in the middle of that 15-minute range now. If we get above 660s, I'm going to go long. But still just kind of getting denied there. Nvidia, I'm going to try this. Fucking Nvidia just really dumping there, but we'll see if that's a terrible... Oh, that was a terrible idea. The chop. Might get chopped out here. Try to short here, 620s. Nvidia is just kind of bleeding out. Well, now it's kind of popped back up, chopping around down there. Chopped out here. Oh, you son of a bitch. Should have stuck with the long idea. The long idea was the idea. All right. Fucking A. Just holding right there at 640s. All right, I'm trying to long here now. Just couldn't sell down there, so let's see if we get a pump. Be looking for a pump through these highs now, possibly 800 level next. I don't know why we thought it was a short there. I saw Nvidia starting to go, and I was like, ooh, Nasdaq might start tanking here, but just chopped it out. Just stuck to my original idea of getting long there. The chop. Not much we can do about it. Not looking good here. Should have already started going. Stopped out there again. Fucking A. Chop City. You gotta love it. All right, we're just stuck here at the pivot point. Just banging at the pivot point for now. There goes Nvidia. Nvidia starting to sell back down. Fucking A. Yep. 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 Where are you going, Nvidia? There goes the Nasdaq back through the 600s now. Fucking got chopped, just so stupid. We shorted, got chopped out, got long, got chopped out, and now back down here again. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Let's see what happens with this 15-minute range. Can we get a breakout, breakdown, something? The ES already broke the 15-minute range to the downside here, so let's see what happens. There's that wick back up. Little wickety wick back up. Right now, we got Lucid trading 40% off the 25K and 50K accounts currently. Some new stuff coming from Lucid this week. Everyone will be pretty excited about. Look at this. Down through 600s now. Five-minute chart, wick. 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 And again, back up. Wow. Fucking Nvidia just pumped straight back up now. Just chopping. We have not broken out of the 15-minute range yet. I'm going to try a long here one more time. Let's try it one more time, yeah. See if this bull flag will play out. It's got a lot of volatility right now. Be careful, chat. See profit, take profit. I want to try to add into this if we break through that 680 level, but right now stuck here in the bull flag. In the bull flag. All right, there. Let's get through this 680 area. See if we can look for an ad. We got a lot of resistance there at that 690. So kind of break through 690. And then we're trying to add there if we get there. Well, if it actually goes. JK. Right back down again. 680s, they just cannot get above 680s for now, so. Straight back down there. Wow. My stop's like right below this 600 level, but might get tagged. Might get tagged there. And right back up again. Gotta love it. Look at the 15-minute, bro. I'm looking at it. I see it. I don't know what you see. I see it. 15-minute chart. Just going nowhere right now. So. We're either going to break out here, get through that 680 area and go towards the 800s, or, well, we not. So. Right there at that pivot point, just holding on. Everyone in the chat telling me what to look at. Okay. Hey, everybody, y'all look what you looking at. You should look what you looking at, and I'm look what I'm looking at. All right, you look what you're looking at, and I'll look what I'm looking at. Just look at it. Just look at it. Look, just look. Can y'all just look at it? Just look at it. Just look at it. Would you just look at it? The blue line of resistance here. You gotta love it. Pumping, pumping. If we start to push, I'm going to add to this. I'm trying to add. I'm going to try to get that push all. I would love to see 24,800 here. Is it possible? I think so. Maybe. But stuck there again. Why is it moving so slow? Hard to say. Just going nowhere right now. We got about a minute till the 10 o'clock candle opens. What's going on with crypto right now? Not much going on with crypto. WarbucksBTC.com. Oh. All right, I'm going to add right there. See if we can't get this continuation through the 700s. Break out of the 15-minute range, 725, and then we're going for 800 here. 24,800 yet. I don't know. We might get it, we might not. Patrick, QQQ moves the same as the Nasdaq. Sort of, yeah. Need 5,000 likes. I agree. 5,000 likes is all we need. Don't worry about the money. Worry about the likes, chat. Worry about the likes. If we break this 15-minute range, we should push. Just got to go. Just got to go. You're almost at 500,000 subscribers. I know. How awesome. Yay. So very awesome. All right, well, Nasdaq is kind of stuck here for now. Got to get through that 700 level strong. The high, opening range high is 23s, right? So basically looking for this breakout and then 800 target is what I'm looking at. So not sure it'll get there, but we'll see. We will see. Why 800? Well, if you were here earlier, you would know why. This is 5 accounts. We're trading 5 accounts here, 2 contracts per account. We're up a little over $10,000 right now. Can we get the push? Commitment. Believe it, believe it, believe it, chat. Come on. Just got to believe. You got NVIDIA pumping back up. Got the ES going for the opening range high. Got the Nasdaq trying to go through here. So. Can you take me higher to a place with golden things? Oh, this is that moment in time where either I could take profit right here, right? I could, and I could be a genius. But if I don't take profit, if I do take profit and it goes up higher, then I'm not a genius. If it crashes, I'm still not a genius. So either way, I'm not a genius here. But let's see what happens. Either way. There is no winning. We broke out of the 15-minute range now, so I think we'll be all right. Just need to keep pushing here. Little pullback there, 730s. That's fine. We're used to it. I mean, I'm retired anyway, so, you know, who really cares? If it goes down, it goes down. If it goes up, it goes up. It don't matter. I'm living on I live on Social Security, guys. So we good. We good. Don't worry about it. I buy my evals with Social Security money. Move my stop loss. Oh, yeah. Move my stop loss here. I'll move my stop loss right there. Can't lose now, at least. Oh, well, we can, but let's not. Just doing it for the thrill, man. For the fucking thrill. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm going to put one order right here at the 69. I like 69. I don't know why. It's just a number in my head. I think about it all the time. I'm like, 69, 69. What does 69 mean to me? I don't know. I have no idea what the meaning is. It just comes to me. The number is there in my head. 69, 69, 69. I'm a market maker, basically, is what that means. So, well, we got filled 69. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, we got one contract left here. 716. Can we milk it all the way to the 800s? I told you I was looking for 800. Let's go. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button. W's, that you can't spell Wieland without win. Think about that. Y'all ever thought about that? Anybody else ever think about that? You'd be like, Patrick, you can't spell Wieland. You can't spell winning without Wieland. It's a true story. I didn't make that up. It is a fact. It is very much a fact. All right, we're above the 15-minute range. Little pullback there. And looking for 800s now. Just cruising, baby. We just cruising here. I'm kind of like trail this a little bit. We can guarantee at least 20 points here, but I feel like this might pull back, hit that 20 now. Just to fuck with me. Just to fuck with me. I swear they do that. They do that on purpose. Don't do it, Nasdaq. Don't do it. Don't do it. Please. You son of a bitch. Oh, God. So close. So close. Oh. 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 Oh, God. This shit's rigged. This shit is rigged. Oh my. Oh. 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 It's rigged. I'm telling you, this shit's rigged. The market makers, they watch my streams. They do this shit on purpose. They always be doing this. I don't know. Guys, I promise you, they be doing this shit, man. It's rigged. This shit is rigged. It's rigged. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. There's that little bit of a pullback into the 15-minute range again. Yeah, I don't know, man. I just be out here trying to make a little bit of money. Try to make a little bit of money. No way. All right, being patient. Let's be patient here. Let that next little bull flag play out, right? It's all we're kind of looking for next is another little like bull flag setup. Nvidia kind of just dumped back down, so you gotta love that. You gotta love that. It's always fun. You can take me higher. Take me higher. You can take me higher. Patrick, I lose almost every day. What should I do? I mean, if I was you, I would stop losing. You know, first thing I would do if I was you, I would stop losing. Would probably be your best bet, honestly. I mean, you know, just putting that out there. I'm looking at Ethereum, maybe getting long on Ethereum here in my Warbucks account. Let me see. I'm going to put an order out here. Like down here, see if I get filled. I like to use these limit orders for, oh, now the whole market's going to tank here. See if we get filled there. All right, well, Nasdaq pulling back there again, 660s. Good thing we got stopped out where we did. You know, sometimes you get lucky, honestly. You can see we got stopped out for like a 20-point profit. We could have been greedy. We could have continued to hold and then, you know, all that. So you saw the Warbucks billboard in Fort Lauderdale? Let's go. Let's go. There's a wildebeest. There's a Warbucks. There's a Warbucks billboard. Warbucks billboard on the turnpike. If you're in Florida and you drive past it, put it on Twitter. I'll give you a free account. I'll give you a free account if you see the billboard and you post it on Twitter. All right, we're kind of just like, chopping. We pulled back into those EMAs. Back up here. Man, it's crazy because like if I get long right here, my stop's like all the way down there. That's a 50-point stop. Oh no. 50-point stop here. A bit risky. It's a bit risky. We got filled on the Ethereum trade. I'm gonna see. I want to make $100 on this trade if possible. Let me see where I need to put that target at. If I put it up here, yeah, right there for the Ethereum trade with Warbucks, warbucksbtc.com. We'll see what happens. You never know. You never know. Cryptocurrency, man, it's crazy out there right now. It's crazy out there, chat. It's crazy out there, chat. All right. If we break above the candle high here, I'm going to try a long with a stop like right below. We did just break through it, didn't we? Let's try it. Playing it with like a kind of a tight stop here, right? So either we're going to go or we're not. So I like it. I might just take it right there if it goes 740s for a quick little scalpy. Ooh. Hey, smoke them if you got them. Smoke them if you got them. Whoo! Roll it up and smoke that, motherfucker. Hey, roll it up and smoke it. Roll it up and smoke it. Roll it up and smoke it. Bam. All right, so again, push right up there. It might go higher, but the way this market's moving, I'll take that was 16 up there to the 38s. We'll take it. Ooh, look at this. We're killing it right now here on Ethereum. We bought that dip on Warbucks, trying to make $100 here. Guys, you can buy an account for $45, right? Instant funded. And then you can trade for 4 days, make $100 every day, and then request a payout. Like, you don't need massive profits to get a payout with Warbucks. That's the best thing about it. The best thing, there is no profit target. Once you're funded, there is no profit target. The minimum that you need to make to request a payout is $100 total. So you can literally make $30 a day, right? You can make $30 a day for 4 days, request a payout, and get paid. So just putting that out there for anybody who's wondering what the payout structure is, you know? So, all right. They said, now, ladies, where'd everybody go? Everyone left. They all gone. Everybody left me. I started winning. They all left. Landon said he's bored. Said, fuck this shit. I'm out of here. I'm out of here, he said. All right, Nasdaq. This is the Warbucks platform. I found a little secret for anybody who wants to see something cool. Like, if you go and you move your order, you can actually see exactly what your projected profit is, right? So $96 will be my projected profit if we push up to there. I want it to be like right at 100, or maybe right below 100. Yeah, that's good. Nasdaq trying to push, maybe. Maybe. The battle is real. By the way, Lucid, 40% off right now. It's hard to beat the deal. You can get funded with Lucid, like literally right now. You can just get funded. Go buy an account, pass it, 1 day, get funded the same exact day. Use that code PW to get the best deal as always. All right. Got to see what happens here. It's getting real tight. Right? Like, it's just getting tight. Our original target of 24,800 is not far away. If we break out through this 50 level, I'm going to try another long up there towards the 800s. 24,800 be my target from there. So, hey, Ginger, did you see that? I sent you that photo of all the trash at the house. Oh, perfect. I didn't know if you figured it out, what that pile of trash meant. I thought about it. I was like, wait, did I even say anything? I think I just sent you the photo, but forgot to actually clarify what to do. I like that you preemptively were like, wait, pile of trash, needs to get rid of this. Okay, deal. Perfect. I like that. I like that. That's called being a self-starter, Alex. You need to be a better self-starter, Alex. Learn. Landon's learning how to run people, how to run a business. All right, well, Nasdaq, ES, everything just stuck here right now. Got a little bit of like a little mini bull flag here, right? Isn't that kind of like a little mini bull flag? It's like a mini bull flag, you know? 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, It's tricky. It's tricky. Tricky. Last day, the last and final day for Apex right now. 80% off. Use the code PW. That $40 activation fee for any size account. Look, you can't even see the price action because the deal is so big. Deal's so big. I'll take it away. I'm just kidding. What do you think happens now, Landon? Up or down? Down? Landon did say pump and then dump. It did kind of a pump and then a little dump. Now he thinks it's going to go down. Oh, man. I think I'm going to fade you. Time to fade you, bro. Yeah. Would you blew them all yesterday? Let me see. This is, if it goes higher, I'll be pissed. All right, she's looking like she wants to go. Right? Kind of giving that vibe here. She's giving that vibe right now, chat. I'm going to try a long here. Be looking for that push through the 750s. Try to get there towards the 800s possibly, maybe more. As long as we can hold 700s here, we should be good. Just need NVIDIA to start moving. I'll try to add into this. 720s now. Stop is, like I said, 700s basically. We either going to go or we not. We either going to go or we not. Or we not. Oof. Come on, can you take me higher? Just need some continuation, man. Give me some continuation here. We need fucking NVIDIA to stop doing whatever the fuck it's doing and get this market pumping. Get the market pumping. Get the market pumping, 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 pumping. PW, Warbucks is not loading for me. It loads for me? What do you mean it won't load for you? Take a screenshot, send it to info@onlyprofirms.com. If you cannot load the website, we're trying to figure out what the fuck is going on. We've heard some people can't load it, some people can. I don't fucking know. I'm not an internet guru, man. Or maybe I am an internet guru. All right, Nasdaq, a little bit of a trap up there. We might be in trouble. If we can't hold this 700 level, we're going to chop back down. Ugh. So annoying. So very annoying. Here we go. Right back down to my fucking stop now. Classic. $10.30 reversal. Yes. All right, we got stopped one contract. And Mike can stop the second one. And stopped out. All right, no follow through there for now. So let's see what happens next. Now we pulled back. Now we go higher probably. Pulled back into the EMAs there again. Just kind of going nowhere right now. That 5-minute candle not looking pretty. So. Nvidia starting to roll off again. The ES. He's just kind of holding there at the 700s for now, being real annoying, huh? I see people in the chat talking about getting short. I mean, maybe. I don't know. Just kind of holding right there, 700. I don't know if I'd get short right here, to be honest, but that's you know, you do what you're gonna do. I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. I don't think it's a short. I think we've got a big range right now on these candles, and it's just stopping people out. Wow. And look at that. Right back up. It stops me out and then pops right back up there. Gotta love it. You gotta love it sometimes. All you can really do is just laugh. You know, like what else are you gonna do? It's kind of funny, honestly, when you think about it. Like, it's kind of just comedy, you know? It's just comedy sometimes. You just gotta laugh. Honestly, it's all you can do is just laugh at it. You know, that's all you can do. Did I re-enter? I did re-enter, yes. I'm back in long. Can we pump through the highs now? I don't even care anymore. Just get it over with, Nasdaq. Just get it over with. Tight stops get you stopped. Yeah, true. True that, true that. Tight stops be getting you stopped. Nice gambler, Patrick. Hey, thanks for watching, MSP. I appreciate your support. It's important to have people here supporting me, you know. Right back down there again. Oh, fucking Jesus. How do we have so much momentum at open and then just absolutely nowhere now? I guess it's because Nvidia's going nowhere. And might just get out of this. I don't know. Fucking A. We were up nicely for a minute. PW, you look tired. No, I'm not tired at all. I'm just tired of looking at this fucking chart, man, to be honest. It's not fun. I don't know why people, like, they think, like, oh, Patrick, why do you not look happy? I mean, should I... What should I be excited about right now? Getting stopped out and just, you know, fucking around with this stupid shit? Like, it's not fun. Where's your stop? Basically like below 700 here. We're either gonna go or not. That's all I got. That's all I got, man. The crash out today is real. What does that even mean? Who's crashing out? I'm sitting here making money. Oh, God. The amount of retards in the chat. Something else. Maybe if you were more humble, people wouldn't root for your failure. And maybe if you were a nobody, you'd watch me live on YouTube, Jaden. But you do. Like, I swear, I fucking hate it. It just fucking pisses me off when people tell me I need to be more humble. Why? Why should I be more humble? I'm fucking a millionaire because I did everything that everyone told me not to do. I didn't go to college. I didn't listen to my fucking teachers. I didn't listen to my parents. I didn't do anything that I was supposed to do, and I got to where I'm at. So yes, I should be more humble, right? I should be more thankful for all the fucking morons in my life that told me I couldn't do what I do. Right? I should just bow down and be like, yes, thank you. I want to go back in time and thank my guidance counselor in high school who told me that I should go to college. Patrick, if you don't go to college, you're never going to be successful. I said, okay, hold my beer. Hold my beer. A joke. Only people talking about being humble are poor people. That's the only people. The only people that talk about being humble are fucking poor people. Patrick, you just got to be more humble. Yeah, well, you should be more poor. You're going to lose everything if you're not thankful. See, again, you have nothing, so you don't know what you're talking about. I'm not going to lose everything. Because in my brain, I got a fucking brain. I can make money no matter what. No matter what, I'll always be rich. I am him. I am him. I am him. I'm also live on my fucking YouTube channel. I can say and do whatever the fuck I want. Exactly. You know, if I'm hanging out around fucking a bunch of old people and talking about life and all that, maybe I'll be a little bit humble. But right now, I'm here. I'm doing it live. I'm fucking doing it live. You know? God. That's what Kanye thought. Oh my God. Anime girl. Are you fucking retarded? Is Kanye a fucking multi-millionaire? Even without Adidas? How much fucking shit has he sold on Yeezy.com, you dumbass? He wanted to get out of the fucking Adidas deal. You fucking idiot. He didn't want Adidas. Are you fucking stupid? He wanted to close that. Oh my God. Patrick, Kanye, he wasn't humble and he lost Adidas. Oh, really? Well, then he started his own fucking website. God. How much money did fucking Yeezy sell, Alex? Billions. They fucking sold out. You fucking idiot. Patrick. Don't you know about Adidas? Adidas? Don't you know about it? Kanye, he lost Adidas. He lost Adidas. God. Patrick. Adidas. Adidas. Yeah, exactly. Adidas lost Kanye the same way that Top Step lost Patrick Wieland. Think about that. Don't ever think any differently, chat. I didn't lose Top Step. Top Step lost me. The biggest and the largest. Look at the fucking numbers. Who's got more viewers on YouTube? Me. Who's got more subscribers? Me. Exactly. Exactly. What's your favorite charity that you give to since you're being so fucking rich? I don't give money to charity. I don't give money to poor people. I got a 13-year-old, bro. I give him the money. Look at him. He's over there. He's rich. Charities for poor people. True story. You say you're a technical trader, but do the least and most basic TA while risking huge amounts of money. I mean, I might not be a fucking a genius when it comes to reading the fucking chart, but I mean, looking at it right now, I don't know, guys. Does it look like it was a bad spot to get long? Did I look at it wrong? Did we look at the chart? Is the chart wrong? Was that a bad idea to get long? Is that what that was? Yeah, Patrick, you don't know how to read the chart. Did I get long? Did I make money? Patrick, you don't know about the chart. Patrick. Patrick, you don't even know how to read technical analysis. Okay. Okay. You literally said you should get out before it went up. No, I did. What? I think I said take profit if you can. What's wrong with taking profit? See, the thing that I don't want is I don't want to sit here and be like, guys, I'm looking for 800. And then it goes to 780. And everyone in the chat's like, damn it, Patrick. I was up 50 points. Why did I not take profit? I'm like, well, that's because you're retarded. If you're up 50 points, take fucking profit. I'm an idiot. Don't listen to me, okay? Is this a good trade, guys? Am I doing it right? Is this good? Is this good? Is this good? Are we making money live? I don't know. I don't fucking know. I don't know. Are those micros? No, they're fucking minis. The fuck? Who trades micros? Who in the fuck trades micros? You're a degenerate fuck. I mean, call me whatever you want, but you can't say I'm not winning. Hey, say what you want, but you can't say I'm not fucking winning! Oh my god! Did I just make money on in Ethereum as well? Oh my god! Oh my god! How did I do that? There you go. I made my $80. I'm gonna show you guys how making $80 for 4 days, I can get a payout with Warbucks. And I only paid, well, it's a 10K account. I don't even know what I paid, but you know what I mean. So let's just talk about it, right? I showed you guys the long, right? We had a long on Ethereum. I got long there at 24, out there at the 43s. Come on. 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 Warbucks right now, 30% off all the accounts. Oh, we're about to take profit. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh, is that $25,000? Good thing I'm fucking retired. Is that 25,000? Is that 25 fucking $1,000 right there, boys? I think it is. I think it is. Come on. Everybody needs to get the fuck out. Just go ahead and get the fuck out. Get the fuck out, everybody. Everybody get the fuck out of here! Where's the guy that said it was a short? Patrick, it's a short. Patrick, the market's gonna dump. Patrick, it's a short. It's a short. It's a short! God. How much more money can one man make? $1 million question right there, my friends. I'm gonna move my last and final stop right here. See if we maybe get up there towards that 820 level. If we don't get to the 820s, then I'll just get stopped out for a nice little profit there. That's over 50 points of verified, consistent profits, chat. Fucking verified. 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 Hey. Hey, who told me, who said it was a short? Who said it was a short? Landon did. You're fired. Landon's fired. Get the fuck out of here, kid. Get out of here, kid. We got some updates at warbucksbtc.com. I'm going to show you in a second, but let's see if this closes out. Are these profits good? Where are the people in the chat that say, I don't know how to do technical analysis? He don't know how to do technical analysis. Patrick don't know technical analysis. Well, we had the 15-minute opening range break, and it's going higher. Technical analysis. It seems like my technical analysis is pretty good. I'm going to move my stop right here to the 90s, guaranteeing nice little 80 point profit there. I gotta learn how to do some ICT trading. like a fucking retard. God. All right, we hit the 800s. This is exactly where we talked about going this morning before the market even opened, by the way. Just in case you're wondering. We talked about this exact play before the fucking market opened right here live on YouTube. I do this every day live, 9 a.m. Tune in. Don't forget about me. I'm here for you. Yeah, I need a shirt that says, I don't know technical analysis because I'm retarded and gay at the same time. Someone said, is it a buy or sell? I mean, right now I'm long. So you do what you're going to do. You know, I'm going to do what I'm going to do. Hey, how about this? Let's go for a nice and easy 100 points, chat. Give me 100 points! 100! Hey! Shake it if you got it. Got the money maker. Money maker. Got the, look at that. Even Ethereum going higher as well right now. Oh my God, he's good. I'd be helping people make money on crypto and on the Nasdaq all at the same time. What can I say, man? What can I say? I'd be like that, you know? It'd be like that. All right, so technical analysis. Let's focus on technical analysis. Why did I think that there was a good chance that we'd push to the 800s? Let's just think about it, right? Think about this. Well, there you go. That was kind of why. The middle of this big dump candle from Thursday, kind of retesting that, right? And that's where we're going. So we broke out over the overnight high there. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. We're right up there towards the 840s now. Nice and easy, baby. Nice and fucking easy, boys. Yeah, I mean the fair value gap, dude. The fucking fair value gap. Shut the shit. Fair value gap. Guys, if ICT worked, why wouldn't everybody just use it? You know, why wouldn't the whole world just trade ICT and make $1 billion trillion? Everybody just... I'm going to trade ICT and make $1 trillion. I said you do the least technical analysis out of all the streamers. You trade on emotions and think you're the best. Jaden. Are you fucking dumb? I want to fly you to the BDH. Honestly. Jaden, I'm serious. Where do you live? I'm going to buy you a plane ticket. I'm going to fly you to the BDH so I can look you in the fucking face and just, I want to see the retard come out. I want to see it on your face. I'm serious. Where do you live at? I will fly you to the BDH right now because I want to see the retard that is you. I want to be able to put a face to the comment. I'm serious. I will pay for your plane ticket. No joke. I'm going to buy you a plane ticket. I'm going to fly you to the BDH and I want to look at you. I want to look at you in the face and just be like, yep, now I know. Now I know. You know what I mean? Like, I just want, now I know. Now I know why this guy's so retarded. The Warbucks website's not working. It works. You're just not working. Jaden, where'd you go? Jaden, where'd you go? Where did Jaden go? Jaden, come back. Jaden, what happened? I'm serious. I will buy you a plane ticket. See, look at that. Jaden, he's gone now. That's fucked up. Jaden! Come back! Dude, fucking Ethereum going higher. I took profit too early, but like I want to show you guys. So, I want to show you basically how making $80 a day for 4 days, how I can get a payout with Warbucks BTC. You don't need big profits to get paid out. That's the best part about it. We only have one rule, and that's the 33% consistency rule. If you make $10,000 and you make $2,000 every day for 5 days straight, you can get paid. There's no payout cap, and there's no payout rule other than a minimum of $100. And that can be for the 5K account, the 10K account, the 100K account, all the accounts. So, let's go. Right now, Nasdaq pushing. He thinks he's such a smart trader, but he's full of emotion and thinks he's the best. Guys, I don't think I'm the best. I know I'm the best. You know what I mean? I know I'm the best, chat. Well, there's not even a question. Nobody's questioning the idea if I'm the best. It is done. The question is the question. The answer is the answer. All right? Exactly. Think about it. Think about it. It's simple math. The math is simple. You just don't know how to do it. Like right now, Tradeify's got 500 people watching them. Is that because they're good or is that because they're bad? I think it's because they're bad. Who else is live right now? I don't even know. Let's look. Alpine Trader. We like Alpine. He's only got 100 people. That's fine. What about Top Step TV? Where's Top Step TV at? Oh, they got 4.6. I mean, I think we might be drifting a little bit, but who the fuck watches this shit? Dakota's up $300 today. Good job, Dakota, you fucking retard. God, I swear. I can't live like this anymore. I can't live like this anymore. The internet, man. The internet. Can you show your pivot points? Oh, I'm gonna show them. These are my settings for the pivot points. I do not change the settings. How is Trades by Matt doing? He had 3 girls. So, as a man, I feel like that's got to be defeating at a certain point. You know, you're like, fuck. My testosterone is so low that I just could not make a boy. Shout out to Trades by Matt. You know, hey, more power to you. But yeah, it's got to be rough. Why are you insulting Dakota? I'm not insulting him. Just stating the facts. He's retarded. I mean, what else would you like me to say? Why does ICT get so many viewers? Because there's so many fucking retards on this planet. That's the truth. That is the God's honest truth, honestly. The sad part about it is that there's a lot of retarded people on this planet. I think if you looked it up, it would be like a staggering percentage. Like I'd say probably 99% of the people on this planet are retarded. So it's the stats do not lie. It's actually in the medical journal. It says majority of people on this planet are retarded. Interesting take. Do you or do you not copy trade ICT? I mean, hey, copy trading ICT this is what I would think it would be like, right? Like it would be like, you know that game when you're a kid and you're trying to put the shapes in the holes and you'd have like a square and it'd be like a circle hole and you'd be taking the square and be like trying to put the square in the circle hole, you know, like, hey, look, it's a circle. Let me put the circle in the hole. Like that would be what I would imagine. Like an ICT trader is kind of like, that's what they're doing basically. So, I mean, my t-shirt, it says it, guys. It says it right there. You know, let's be honest. It says it right there. Okay. I can't trade ICT. You guys, you know, everyone's be looking for, you know, undercover brother or undercover, you know, meaning, but that's the meaning. The VIP room needs new members. Maybe. How can you get the t-shirt? BigDickHouse.com. Really though, really, honestly. You'd be like, wait, that's not real. No, really, it is. No, really. No, honestly. I'm not even kidding. If you go to BigDickHouse.com, you could buy those shirts. Be like, wait, what's your website, Patrick? I'm like, it's BigDickHouse.com, sir. No, like actually, you could buy all those top shirts. You gotta love it. I just love the fact that I own the website bigdickhouse.com. I mean, think about it. Like, there's a lot of people in the world, right? And like, what are the chances? What are the chances? What are the chances that I bought that website? You know? Wait, are we? Is it not even on here? To the right? Oh yeah, there it is. See, look at that. You could buy it for only $24. You could donate to charity. All proceeds will be donated to the Patrick Wieland charity, where what I do is I just spend all the money. Right? That's my charity. People be like, Patrick, why do you not donate to charity? I'm like, I do. I pay taxes and I buy things every day. I never eat at home. I go out and I spend all my money to help the charity of the world. That's the real charity, right? People think that giving to a charity is going to help the world, but the truth is spending money is what helps the world, right? When I go places and I spend money, I'm helping people that need money. Right? If I go to a restaurant and I leave a $100 tip, that's a donation to charity. It's to the people of the world. I'm out here just helping the world. I spend millions of dollars every year to help the world. How to get 30% off Warbucks? It's already 30% off, man. It's already 30% off. But yeah, the whole charity thing, man, it's all a scam. Go look it up. Go look at how much money charities actually put into the world, you know? All right, we got a little update. Update! Got a little update here on Warbucks BTC. We got rid of the two-step account. The two-step account was just a total waste of time anyway. So I was like, let's get rid of that. No one's going to be buying that. So we got two different accounts here. I really like the 10K, the 25K. The most popular account right now is that 50K account. But I think the 25K, right? You know, like right around there, whatever you want to do. So if you look here, the one-step account, let's do the 25. It's one step for $200. The instant funded is $225. So you got that. It's a little bit different. It's as you go larger, the price difference is there, but the 30% is already applied. You can have a maximum. You can have a maximum of $380,000 of funded accounts. All right, so that basically means that you can have like pretty much every account that we sell. You can only have one account per size per challenge type. So I guess, wait, can you buy a 50K one step and then a 50K instant funded? Yeah? Why are you whispering? I just yelled it out and you're like, I think so. I'm like, hey, can you buy a 50K? I think so. Sir, I just yelled it out. Remove the daily loss on the one step, yo. Maybe in the future. In the future we could. So, those are the yeah. Warbucks, BTC, man. It's happening. Look at all these people making money already. Everyone trying to make me bankrupt. Don't bankrupt me, please. I'm just trying to make a little bit of money. Jay Wall's in the chat, actually. He's got 51% gain right now. Let's go. America, top 3. America, top 4, actually. America. Fuck yeah. We the biggest and the largest. America. Guys, I'll tell you one fact. If ICT truly worked, if ICT truly worked, then the leaderboard would be nothing but Ethiopians. That's true. You got to agree with me, because majority of ICT's followers are from third world countries. So the leaderboard would not have America on it. It would be nothing but Ethiopians and Somalia and Pakistan and India and China and whatever other third world countries are out there. I don't even know. He called the price to the tick today. Islam. Who did? What are you talking about? What's my P&L today? Guys, I'm retired. I don't make money. I'll make money. Talk about the trade. We want to learn. Right now, the trade is kind of just pulling back here. Bouncing off those EMAs again. Does it go higher from here? I mean, NVIDIA is going just absolutely nowhere right now. Just going sideways on NVIDIA. So, it's hard to say. Hard to say. We got the 9 EMA, the 21 EMA on the chart there. Yes. I mean, maybe there's like a long here. Right? Maybe. It's hard to say. Maybe. 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 So we try a little longy dongy here through the 800 push off those EMAs. I don't know. It's just kind of like stuck there for now. What is it? 11 o'clock. We got the 11 o'clock candle just opened. ES is pushing. Nasdaq's pushing. NVIDIA's trying to make a green candle here. I'm going to try a little long. Stop. Tight stop here. We're either going to pop or we're going to get stuck there. So, don't want to give back too much profits. I'll risk, this is basically a 350. 350 bucks here. Try to make 350. We need like 815 area to push. Na 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 na. Hey, hey, hey. Goodbye. All right, we are long here on the Nasdaq, looking for a push. Get through the 800 level. I want to see it start to go, go, go quicker, sooner than later, to be honest. Don't want to keep getting stuck there at 800s. Just kind of looking for, like, I might just take it there like 810s and then walk away, go to lunch. I like it. Come on. Let's get it through there. We're risking $300 to make 300 basically. And there we go. Hey. 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 Hey, hey. What happened, chat? It went higher. Still going higher. D-Money will be live for the D-Money show after 1 o'clock this afternoon. Your videos don't show on my homepage anymore. I have to go to your channel to watch the live. YouTube may be limiting you. I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised, you know. I wouldn't be surprised. Hey, like I said, I wasn't looking for, I said I was going to risk 300 to basically make 300 on that trade. So, that's the move. Look at that thing. That's another 10, 20 points. So if you took the long for that breakout, let's go. Let's go. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button. We got 1,000 likes here. We are winning, winning, winning. Patrick, with the 5K account, it's instant, funded, or an eval. Oh, buddy. The questions. I love you guys, but sometimes these questions, man. Think about it like this, guys. All right, I'm going to make it very simple, right? We got two options. You got one step, which is an eval. Or you can choose instant funded, which is instant funded. You got two options. There's only two options now. You got one step, right? One step is an eval, right? One step or instant funded. Look at the Nasdaq ripping 24,830s now. Still going higher. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Still pushing. Those EMAs there on the chart, the 9 EMA, the 21 holding up there beautifully. And there's your new push, new high of day push. All the way up there, almost to the 840s now. If you just tuned in, this morning we talked about this very simple idea, right? Basically, that big dump candle from last week there, Thursday, kind of looking for the middle of that dump candle to get tested here today. And there we are. Patrick, you need a signature whiskey or liquor. Oh, God. I don't know if I need that. Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. I don't know. That sounds like trouble. That sounds like trouble. MJ Trades. Yeah, something is happening. Yesterday, I got the notification that you were live after the live was over. And today, I never got notification that you were live. Dude, I'm telling you, man. These liberals, they don't want me to live in the world, man. You got to think about it. Like, I'm the anti-world, right? They don't want us like this. They don't want us like this. They want us to be poor. They want us living off the government. They don't want us to think like a boss. They want us thinking like peasants. They want you thinking that you should go to work every day and go hate your life and live for the weekend and pay your taxes and get health care and sign up for fucking diabetes medicine and all the other bullshit. It's true, man. They don't want us winning. They're trying to keep us down. It's a real thing. I'm not even making this up. 99% of the people are poor. It is what it is. It is true. 99% of the people on this planet are poor, but I'm rich. And that right there, my friends, is the facts. What would be their motivation for that? I mean, motivation for what? For having people that believe everything the government tells them? I mean, you're going to get me fucking canceled here on the internet, but think about it, guys. Think about that. What would make more sense, right? Is it better to have a bunch of fucking brain-dead idiots, paying taxes and just being, fucking just perfect little soldiers? Or is it bad to have people like Patrick Wieland who talk about the truth? Who talk about, like, hey, I never got vaccinated. Isn't that weird? I never died either. That's so weird, man. I can't believe it. The government told me I was going to die. They're going to say my son was going to die if he didn't get vaccinated. Everyone's going to die. Die. And then now what? No one even hears. No one even talks about COVID anymore. At one point, they told us that we weren't even going to be able to go outside if you're not vaccinated. If you're not vaccinated, you won't even be able to go outside. I'm like, well, good thing I like living inside my house. I mean, I think, if anything, COVID was a perfect example of just how quickly, it was honestly amazing to me. Like, it was amazing how quickly everybody bent the knee, right? Everybody was just so quick to be like, yeah, no, I'm gonna go do a lockdown. I'm gonna stay inside my house. I'm gonna get vaccinated and then boosted again. And then just for good luck, I might get boosted 3 times just to really make sure I'm boosted fully. Like that, it was amazing. Amazing that people around the world were so quick to be like, yeah, no, I'm definitely gonna, exactly. The government wants me to be healthy, right? The government wants me to be healthy. Right? The government wants me to be healthy. Right? Someone said no one died from COVID. People died from COVID. That's not my argument. My argument is that for someone who is healthy, like myself, there was no need for me to take a vaccine for a flu-like virus. So that's, you know, I'm not anti-vax. I'm just anti me doing anything that anyone tells me to do that I don't want to do. You know what I mean? So, yes, people I know did die. You are not informed. What? I'm not denying that people died from COVID. I know people that died from COVID. I had a friend of mine who was overweight. He smoked cigarettes and drank every day, and he died from COVID. So, I mean, I'm not denying the fact people died from COVID. People die every day, by the way, in cars and planes and boats, and people die all the time. So, what is the trade now? Well, I think now the trade is just either if you're not long from this previous breakout, it's kind of, I wouldn't get long right here. Maybe it goes higher, but you know, sorry, but your friend died from his lifestyle choices. I mean, I'm not denying that. I just said that, like, people died from COVID. I'm not denying that fact. I'm just saying that, like, even if everybody on this whole planet, other than like people that like my family, like, if half the world died from COVID, I still wouldn't get vaccinated. And that's pretty fucked up to say, but it's just, that's where I'm at. Ain't happening. Gabe said he got the first booster and felt slightly gay. So he did, hey man, you know, it happens. It happens. Patrick, we all need to be profitable. Fuck, man. It ain't easy. It ain't easy, man. What EMA do I have? I've got the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA. Hey, Patrick, what's your actual entry trigger? Well, I showed you guys my entry earlier multiple times. So basically, here's a flag, right? We're pulling back. The first candle to make a new high over the previous candle. That's where I get long at. So it pulls back. We bounce off the 21. This candle gets stuck. This candle gets stuck. And then I got long right there. That's where I got long. A lot more follow through now. It is looking a lot better now, follow through wise. Up there to the 871s. Banana, banana, fee-fi, banana. What is the white line? The white line's the VWAP. We left the VWAP, man. We just said, peace out, VWAP. We're going higher. Can you take me higher? All right, so I think I'm pretty much going to wrap it up here. I got a bunch of work to do. My family's in town. Landon's in town. We got a lot of fun stuff going on. Warbucks BTC right now is popping off. If you guys haven't already checked it out, crypto funding made killer. I took a trade here earlier, trading some Ethereum. And let me see. I got long. Showed you guys how I got long there at 2008.24. Took profit there at the 43s. If I give you guys a little tip, use limit orders. Use limit orders. Use limit orders. If you use a market order, the commission is high, right? Because that's how crypto is. When you're trading, if you're just like, if you're taking, you want to be making the market. So you want to use a limit order to buy, a limit order to sell. And that'll get you your best profits. So just do that. You can do it by simply clicking on the chart. Over on the right hand side, there's like, let's say I want to buy. I can put a buy limit order. you know, like down here. And I can actually already go ahead and put my stop as well. So if it does get taken, and I can see exactly kind of like where my stop is, have that all ready to go. So that's Warbucks BTC right now. NVIDIA pumping. NVIDIA from 179 up there to the 181s. NVIDIA pumping straight up right now. You gotta love that. Quite the day, man. Just just not getting that like followed through at open, but we did start to push later on. See what happens there next. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We got D-Money coming back here live at the BDH at 1:30 p.m. Eastern. And then I'll be back tomorrow morning. And then on Wednesday, I probably won't be live. Thursday, it's Thanksgiving. Friday, just going to hang out with the fam. And then I'll be back next Monday. So you don't get me all week. You can't have me all the time, chat. You get a little bit. Just a little bit. Little bit. Little bit. Little bit. Just a little bit of me. Not all of me. You can have a little bit, but not all of me. Beep, boo, doo. You can have me, but you can't have me. You gotta love me, but you love me. You can love me, but you can't have me. You can love me, but you can't have me. Nasdaq still pushing higher there. Still pushing. Still pushing. $24,870 now. Still going. Good Lord. See, now it's just like, what do? Do you chase it? If you're not already green on the day, you made your money this morning, kind of just got to sit back and be happy with it, honestly. Everyone be trying to make a little bit of money, but, sometimes it's good just to stay out of it. For now, at least. Still going higher, though. NVIDIA, a little bit of a pullback on NVIDIA. I don't really know. We're right here. Like, this is kind of where we thought, the middle of that candle. So the middle of that candle would be where? Like, actually, like right here. So we tested the middle of that candle there. I guess if you wanted to like maybe look at like a Fibonacci retracement kind of style, right? That's kind of like that push back up into the fibs. So this area here is where people would be looking if they're trading that fib for a short. Yeah, I don't know. I just be careful. It's a short week. We got Thanksgiving on Thursday. We got Black Friday. Got a lot of good deals happening in the prop firm space right now. You got Take Profit Trader with their new deal, 30% off, and then 100% refund for the account. You got Lucid with the 40% off the 25K and 50K account. So We'll see what happens. Just kind of grinding higher, to be honest. Oof. Yeah, I don't know. It's like, because you got to think, it's like if we, it just, I don't want to say it has to pull back, but I just kind of, it's kind of like if you could get long here, right? But then where's your stop at? You know, I think that's like the good question here. If you're going to get long right here, well, then your stop's like right here, you know. But then that's kind of where we would bounce. And even like here we would bounce. So I don't want to be getting long at a spot where my stop is like kind of right where we should bounce at. Even though we just made a new high there. I think you got to be patient either way. Either way, you can really think about this. 15-minute range, right? Just to kind of recap here. 15-minute range, how it played out today. So you have, obviously, your 15-minute range. Market opens up. First 15-minute candle. That's your opening range. I know. People will be like, Patrick, what's the opening range? I'm like, hold on a second. All right, so look. 15-minute range. We did break out. Now, I kind of talked about this before with this idea, right? You have kind of a flag inside the range. We break out of the range, but then we instantly pull back into the range. So what I think is a good, a good way of kind of risk reward here is don't try to get into the first breakout of the 15-minute range. Now, there's days where, yes, it does just like go straight to the fucking moon, but majority of the time, it's not going to be that simple. So I think you really got to be like, okay, here's our first breakout. Let me wait for a retest, some kind of like formation, something to kind of form there. Then I'm going to get long for that continuation out of the 15-minute range, which you can see that's kind of what we got. So yes, you could have played all this stuff here, but when you think about it, from the 725s, up to the 800s, up to the fucking 870s, whatever, and you're trading a prop firm account, let's say from 724s, you get 50 points, guys, like, that's good profits. You don't need massive moves, especially when you're copy trading, right? Lucid, you can have 5 accounts. Take Profit Trader, you can have 5 accounts. Apex, you can have 20 accounts. So you can copy trade, reduce your risk per account, but increase your overall profit at the end of the day. So I think this is a good little lesson to be like, hey, 15-minute range, it breaks out, perfect, but let's get a little bit of consolidation. I think this might be a good example too, because we had what? That was a 200-point range. So put that in your like little, put it in your, in whatever brain you have. Put that in there and be like, okay, if we have a massive range, if we have a 200-point opening range, you have to expect some type of consolidation, and then that move higher. So that would be my moral of the story. Lesson of the day. And again, guys, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just an idiot on the internet. Don't listen to me. Do what you're going to do. Come up with your own ideas. But, maybe it's something to be said. Just a little, you don't have to agree with me. You don't have to believe me. But kind of just use your own intuition, I guess, here. And be like, okay, I like what he's talking about. It kind of makes sense, right? It makes sense that, okay, yeah, with 15-minute range, we get that big move. There's a large range. I should expect some consolidation, right? And then I get that move higher. So, again, don't take everything that you see on the internet as full face value. Don't think that you're going to buy some mentorship or buy a course or or watch a YouTube channel and learn how to day trade. You're not. It's not easy. It's hard. Most people blow up. The majority of traders who start trading will end up failing and never make any money. But we can at least agree to disagree, right? We can agree to disagree and be like, okay, Patrick, I don't like you. I think you're retarded. I think you're gay. But I do agree with you that the 15-minute range, hey, it makes sense. And again, it all really comes down to, figuring out what works best for you. I think you really have to ask yourself when you're coming up with rules, when you're coming up with a plan, whatever you're doing trading, when you're coming up with this stuff, it's like, what can I do to avoid either going on tilt, to avoid getting chopped up, to avoid placing a bad trade, right? There's a couple things that you can do. I think, you can avoid trying to fight the trend. That might be the easiest. That right there, my friends, I know someone in the chat's going to be like, yeah, but Patrick, I always fight the trend and I make money. I'm like, hey, bro, whatever you got to tell yourself, that's fine, right? You tell yourself that. But at the same time, what is the overall trend? What is the trend, right? What is the market doing today? Well, it's going higher. So it's like, if you're trying to short every time we break out, well, what happens? You just keep getting squeezed. So the trend is your friend for a reason. Now, if you believe the trend is your friend and you trade with the trend, there will be days where, maybe this does reverse and dump 100 points. Maybe. But that's not what we're trying to do, right? As traders, we're trying to find some type of consistency, right? I would say that a profitable trader, someone who makes money consistently, well, they miss out moves consistently, right? Because that's that's part of trading. There's going to be days where you're going to go, hey, I'm not going to short here, even though I think it might pull back. I'm not going to short here because, well, the trend is still up. We're above the EMAs. There's no reason to get short. So having that rule, it might make it so, there's days where it dumps and you're like, fuck. But then there's days where, I'd say the majority of the time, when there's days where instead of trying to short at the top, you're like, well, I'm not going to short there. I'm going to be patient, wait for a better setup. And then you're going to miss out on getting squeezed. So that really comes down to you got to figure out what makes you happier at the end of the day. What's going to make you happier? What's going to make you more profitable? What's going to make you more green? Right? What's going to make you more green? Think about that. Is it trying to short at the top every day? Or is it following the trend, waiting for your setup, taking the least amount of trades possible? That's going to make you profitable. If you want to get a payout, right? If you're here to get payouts, I would say that's the way to do it. Don't try to pick the top. Don't try to pick the bottom. And, trade what you see. I know, sometimes I say this shit and I'm like, well, will you shut up? You're fucking retarded. Trade what you see. It's it's motivational. But I think the simplest trading strategies are really the best. And I've been doing this now for, 9 years, where it's I tried every strategy. I watched every guru. I joined every chat room. I really did. I've been a student of the markets now for 9 years. You can go on my YouTube channel and you can watch all the videos. But again, I've always said, right? If you go on my YouTube channel and you go all the way back to day one, when I first started this whole fucking journey, right? If you go all the way back and you look and you're like, well, how'd you trade when you first started? What were you doing when you first started trading? I'm like, actually, what's funny is I was pretty much trading exactly the fucking same. Right? It's kind of funny, man. Here on this 1 minute I mean, this is an old video right here that I made 8 years ago. Right? 8 years ago, I made this video talking about like buying the a 5-minute breakout, talking about the EMAs. You know, look at me. I was fucking, dude, I was poor. I was broke. I didn't know what I was doing. So, I mean, it's funny. I think it's funny because it really does prove, you know, you're like, hey, 8 years ago, I started trading. And I was pretty much trading the same exact way as I trade now. You know? So, I guess the moral of the story is bull flags, bear flags, they work. You know? Like, they truly work. Like here, this was when I was trading small caps. All right, so we're taking a look at CBAY. It jumped up here pre-market 25%, and look at the top now there at 735. So we're looking to get in here above 730. Had a double top pre-market there at 735. It dipped down to 650. So looking to jump in there above that resistance level. Once that resistance level breaks, looking for a move higher here. So you can see it's coming up now, getting there, looking for that 730. We want to see 730. This was basically the overnight high. Okay, I'm long. Talking to you guys too much. I need to focus on the trade. There it goes. Now up to 740. So you can see that move now. It went from 730 up there to 743 now. And going higher now, 750, 759, 760. So that worked out perfectly, just like planned. We're looking for that move to break the 730 area. Looking for that move to 750, 760 area. And there it goes, up to 760. Beautiful move there. You can see the volume increasing there. People were watching that move there. They were watching to see that 730 break. Once they saw that pre-market high, 730, 735 area break, they jumped in. You had to see this huge squeeze in volume there. You had the shorts that sorted this. They were watching there to see if this was going to break above 730, and there it goes, up to 766 now. Beautiful move here. Missing out on that fill. This is 8 years ago, guys. You know, like people will be like, yeah, but Patrick, what have you learned? What have you learned? What have you learned in the last 8 years of trading? I'm like, well, what I've learned is that that all the bullshit, right? Everything that you think you're learning, all the little tricks and all the little fucking ideas and the concepts and the fucking just all of it, right? Like it's all just fucking bullshit. It truly is, man. At the end of the day, all you can do is fucking just trade. What the market's going up, it's going down. We're looking for bull flags, we're looking for bear flags. It's all it is. You know, I think like, look, I made a like even this video, like this trading the trend. Wearing glasses. Let's talk about it in this video, how to identify the trend and how to capitalize on the move. So stay tuned. If you guys are new to this channel and you want to learn more about day trading, you want to learn more about the stock market, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification tab. That'll alert you when I post new videos or go live. If you're a long-time subscriber, thanks for watching. So we're taking a look here. I was so much nicer back in the day. I don't want to look like I'm just doing a nice boy. Trading here. If you're a new viewer, if you're a first-time watcher, thanks for watching. I want to be done, but you can see here I was talking about XN. Now I'm like, fuck you guys, fuck you, go fuck yourself. I don't give a fuck. Dude, money changed you, Patrick. Money changed you. Money changed you. You're changed, Patrick. Fuck. But yeah, I mean, it's funny because, like I said, I fucking was trading the same shit, man, back in the day. Up here to that 460 area, pulled back. Look at this, like, what in the fuck was I doing, dude? I had a mattress behind me. What the fuck? Looking at the chart, you can see what was that, dude? Who was watching these videos? Who watched these videos back in the day? Obviously, if it goes the other way, this is me in my apartment with a fucking mattress behind. What was I doing? The red to green move is a great. Why did I put a mattress behind me, Landon? Opportunities in the market. You're looking for these day trade. Dude, what was I doing, Landon? MBOT showing how it's sold. I don't even understand why I had a mattress behind me. There for a little bit. Really no vol. Oh my god, what an idiot! Dude, what an absolute idiot. So yeah, again, guys, like I'm showing you this stuff not to like toot my own horn. But I'm showing you it because, like I said, I've been trading for 8 years now, and I have not, like, my strategy, you know, like, it hasn't changed. It's the same shit, right? I could make this video, like here, I could make this video over and over. Yeah, and I think a lot of people have that issue. It's almost impossible to start day trading today and get rich tomorrow. Unless you're just the luckiest person in the world, I don't think it's possible. What would I do differently? If I go back in time, if I could tell myself, I would tell myself to not bet on ERs. If that makes any sense. So an ER is an earnings report, and I thought when I first started day trading that was a great way understanding of the actual basics of day trading. I didn't understand.
Also, why was the camera so high?
I didn't understand.
What is going? Like, I don't even know what was going on.
Indicators on the chart. I was using a line chart on Robinhood, and I had no idea what I was doing. So you need to learn the basics. Watch videos about the basics. There's tons of videos out there on YouTube, on Google. Just Google day trading basics. You can watch my playlist called the Day Trading Crash Course, which is going to break down a lot of those basics. Learn about the candlesticks. Learn about what's going on with the stock market, and don't just look at a line. Looking at a line chart is probably the worst thing you can do when you don't have any idea of what's really going on. I didn't look at level 2. I didn't even know what level 2 was. Learned what level 2 was. I was like, wow, I didn't even know this was here. So I think I traded for about 6 months without even knowing there was a level 2. So once I learned about level 2, then it really opened up the whole.
It's kind of funny, man, to think about, like,
dangerous. Short selling, there's an infinite loss possibility. So say if I
8 years ago making these videos,
it goes to $10. I could lose $8.
I don't know. That's all I got, man. I try to get all. I'm not trying to get sentimental, but honestly, like I always like I'm at a point now in my career or this like YouTube journey where I just don't even know what video to make anymore. Like what video to make, you know? Like is there like what other video could I make at this point? Hey everybody, I'm making a new video talking about what a bull flag is. I've already made that 20 times. I'm making a video about the VWAP. I've made that 20 times. More lifestyle videos. I mean, I don't know. It's just I'm like tired of even like listening to myself. Do you even look at level 2 info? I do, sort of, kind of. That was also back when I was trading stocks. I think level 2, you know, trading equities is a little bit different than trading futures. Like if you see that there's a big, massive buyer trying to buy fucking, you know, shares of Apple or whatever it is, like I'm looking at that maybe, but like I'm not really trading futures that way. Mad Dog Geo, first time watcher. Where do I start? Honestly, Mad Dog, don't start. Like I'm just being a. How about a course on humility? I mean, what you tell me why I should have more humility. Like what you tell me. Like just explain if you give me a valid point on why I should be more humble and have more humility. Honestly, like you tell me, you know? You tell me why. Why discouragement? Well, I would tell somebody who asked me they want to learn how to day trade, I say don't do it, right? Because if me telling you not to do it stops you from doing it, then you weren't ever going to make it in the first place. But possibly, you know, maybe if I'm like, hey man, don't day trade. It's a terrible idea. Don't try it. Well, maybe that person's like, man, okay, this guy, that's kind of weird, right? He told me not to buy his course. He told me not to try to, you know, trade. So maybe that kind of like sparks a different type of response. Maybe it motivates them to be like, okay, well, fuck that guy. Fuck Patrick Wieland. You know, he told me I can't do it. Okay, well, maybe that, you know, motivates you to kind of like, I'm going to learn how to do it. Over me just being like, yeah, man, you want to learn how to day trade? Buy my course, watch my live stream, subscribe to my Discord, and I'll teach you everything I know. Right? That's the worst thing that I could ever do, honestly. Like the worst thing that I could ever do is sit here and be like, guys, if you buy my course, I guarantee you're going to get rich. I guarantee it. Right? That's the fucking worst thing that I could ever do for anybody in the world. And that's like, I would be worse than, I don't know. It'd just be bad. It'd be just bad in general. So I think it's better just to be honest. Be like, hey, you want to learn to day trade? Well, don't try it. It's fucking hard. You're not going to be able to do it. You're going to learn. You're not going to learn how to day trade. It's terrible. You're going to regret it. Because those are like majority of people, when they start day trading, they quit. And guess what? They regret it, right? They regret ever trying. And that's fine, right? Like, that's totally fine. Like, hey. But, like, at least I'm being honest with you up front. So Michael, when was the switch from the stocks to now? Prop firms. Honestly, like, I traded futures for a little bit, like micros, and didn't really have much success. Just I'm not very, like, I have too much fucking greed, and it's hard for me to be happy with making $100. But yeah, honestly, the prop firms is what kind of got me into the futures game. And now it's kind of, you know, the risk to reward. You buy a prop firm account for $50. You try to get a payout. If you blow it, you blow it. You do it over. You rinse and repeat. I don't know. Maybe it's bad. Maybe it's a bad thing too. You ready? Yeah. Ready for lunch? Lunchtime! Will there be a course too? You know, I was working on it, honestly. I was. And then I stopped working on it. I honestly, like, I don't want to sell a course. Maybe I'll put out like a free course, honestly. Like, I don't know. I'm over it, man. I'm fucking over course sellers. I'm over all of it. It's just like, I don't know. Just over it. I'm kind of over the internet, to be honest. As shitty as that sounds. Warbucks link, no work right now. It does work. If you're having issues with Warbucks, please send us an email, info@onlypropfirms.com, with a screenshot of what it is, please. We're trying to help you guys. For everybody who's saying that Warbucks link doesn't work, please send me an email, and I'll try to help you. I really want to. Well, there's the Nasdaq. It's pushing off of the EMAs again. Like I said, no reason to get short. No reason to get short yet. Right? And there's no reason to get short until there's a reason to get short. A reason to get short would be what? A lower high. Right? A lower high on the bigger time frames. Right now, no lower highs. Just ding, 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 ding. Pushy, pushy, pushy. So, that's it. What will PW be like in the next 10 years? Honestly, I'm hoping that I can fucking turn Warbucks into like Coinbase, right? Like Warbucks could be as big as Coinbase. I could be a billionaire, and then me and Landon could just go racing all the time. We're going to go racing, fishing and racing. Every day, we're just going to be out there fishing and racing. Racing and fishing all at the same time. How about that, Landon? You like that idea? Me and Landon going to be out there just racing and fishing. Fishing and racing at the same time, maybe. We're going to fish and race at this. We're going to race to get to the fishing grounds, and then we're going to fish to get back to the racing. Are you going to have your own fishing and racing tournaments? No, I hope not. I hope I'm competing in them. I want to make money, not lose money. I want to be making that money, baby. All right. Good day either way. Make a little bit of money. And someone said you're already rich enough to do that. See, I'm not rich enough. I know that sounds funny, but like one day when you guys become millionaires, you'll know what I'm talking about. Because making 20 million a year, you're still a normal person. You still got problems. You still got to deal with bullshit. But like making $1 billion, you make $1 billion, $1 billion. Like you on a different level. You know, you different. That's for sure. You only say fishing to your wife. All fishers know we say it just to chill and drink beer. Yeah, see, I don't have that life. I don't need to lie to my wife. I just tell her, hey, I'm going fishing. She ain't got, I don't have to lie about that. So there's no lying needed. She knows. She comes with me. We go fishing together. Right now on the leaderboard, J-Wall, he's up 48% right now. Let's go. J-Wall. Daddy. Making that money. Yeah, the leaderboard's been popping, man. We got payouts going out, getting all that fun stuff. So once you have $1 billion, then you got to deal with AOC and Warren. Yeah, well, good thing Warren Buffett's dying sooner than later. And then, I'm not Warren Buffett. What? Wait, no. Senator. What the fuck's his name? What's the fucking retard old guy that always runs for president? Why am I so bad? Bernie, yeah. Sorry, Sanders. Not fucking Warren Buffett. Bernie Sanders. Fucking Bernie fucking Sanders. A big wedding for PW or not? Maybe, man. I don't know. Who knows? Hey, Lav London. Look at that. Lav London in the chat right now. He's up $5,000 in his 25K account. Let's go. USA representing. USA. USA. Oh, Elizabeth Warren. Yeah, there you go. That makes sense. Forgot. I thought you were talking about Warren Buffett. I was like, why is Warren Buffett going to care if I'm a billionaire? Why is Warren Buffett going to be upset? He won't be mad. He'll be happy. All right, I'm going to walk away. I'm going to go hang out with Nana, hang out with Landon. We're going to keep on working, but go grab some lunch and get it going. What's your favorite prop firm? Well, I mean, we got Apex going on, the deal right now. Lucid is hard to beat. Trade Days making moves. Take Profit Trader. Everyone's out there just making a little bit of money. And then obviously Warbucks BTC, you know, if you're gonna trade crypto, you might as well do it through the warbucksbtc.com website. Check it out. We just kind of streamlined some stuff there recently with the new plans, or not really even new plans. So we got rid of the two-step because the two-step just didn't make sense to me. I was like, I don't like the two-step. Let's get rid of it. It's confusing to people. So now it's either you get the instant funded account or you get the one-step. One-step, instant funded. Guys, don't overcomplicate this shit. Think about it, right? So the instant funded account, your maximum total loss is $4,000. Your consistency rule is 33%. That's all it is. The only thing you got to worry about is right there. Don't lose more than $4,000 and don't make more than 33% in one day. All right? That's all. That's all you got to worry about. That's it. That's the secret. Other than that, you're good to go on the instant funded. For the one step, they do have a max daily loss when you're in the eval, but once you get funded, I think that goes away. And then max total loss is $3,000 for that. So check it out. Let me know what you think. You can also buy multiple accounts in different sizes. So if you want to buy a 10K, you want to say you want to buy a 10K account, a 25K account, a 50K account, a 5, you can buy every fucking account you want. We ain't going to stop you, but at a certain point, you can only have a total of $380,000 max allocation. Right now, Nasdaq still just on that trip, man, going higher. You got to love it. I want some more of it. I try so hard. Can't rise above it. All right, there it is. I'm going to go grab some lunch. I'm going to go enjoy the day. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. And I will see you guys. I'll see you later on. Will Warbucks work with TradingView? Yes, it does. DX Trade, you can sync it up with TradingView. But they actually on the actual platform, if you go on the platform itself, we do have, this is basically TradingView charts. This is basically just a TradingView chart. So you can trade pretty much on TradingView right inside the platform. There it is. I'll see y'all later on. If you haven't, look at Landon playing on the big game over there. Oh, my Lord, boy. Don't fail. Everyone's watching. Oh. Oh, he failed. D-Money's going to come in and be like, what the fuck is this? D-Money going to be confused. He's going to be like, what is this game? What should I do here? All right, D-Money will be live later on today, 1:30 p.m. Eastern. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. Blow it up. See y'all tomorrow morning. Doing it live at the BDH. The BDH.
Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. 30K on my riches for hard times. These niggas just mad cause they bitchin' my archives. Jordan came back, saw the 4-5. If you play then you lay right there by your own kind. Pull up a 4 in a loco, tell him run this bitch back like so-so. Got this rap shit here in the chokehold. Did a show out in Austin, shout out to Bobo. Moved out the trenches, now look how we live. Tell my BM to furnish the crib. Walk out the mall with some shoes for the kids. Deposit the checks in my bank full of M's. Paid up my rent, now I'm up for the year. The view look crazy from here. What I paid for some dogs could've bought me veneers. Texas piece on my neck could've bought your career. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Stuffing Cali blood weed in the blunt. Let my little brother roll him a Dutch. My little boy get whatever he want. Madam T don't be asking for much. Pouring lean on the nuggets and runts. Spill the rest of that drink in a punch. Left wrist on some I had to stunt. Right rich, I just did it because 600 the labor, you know how we coming. Tell them niggas they ain't taking nothing. Standing on business, we shooting the punching. Hating ass nigga, go get you some money. I just got off a tour, finna go on another one. Album done, finna drop me another one. Couple M's, finna run up another one. Super Bowl ring, shit I had to go double. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Hey.
Too much shit where you live, yeah, like that. 1, we can help you. 2, we can allow you to help yourself. And 3, we can have you replaced.
Hey! See, I really been popping my shit on a whole nother level. You playing, get sent to the devil. These bitches been on me, I swear they keep calling my phone. I'm like, hold on, let me check the schedule. If she get time of day, then I had a good place, so I'm back at the spot. She getting big like a press. These niggas be soft on the bitch, but turned up off a purse. Boy, I'm solid and stand on whatever. See, I really been popping my shit on a whole nother level. You playing, get sent to the devil. These bitches been on me, I swear they keep calling my phone. I'm like, hold on, let me check the schedule. If she get time of day, then I had a good place, so I'm back at the spot. She getting big like a press. These niggas be soft on the bitch, but turned up off a purse. Boy, I'm solid and stand on whatever. Hey, bitch, I'm popping like going on a kettle. A lame nigga reach for my chain, he get hit with this metal. In first year, we on the new levels. I put triple D on my back and my foot on the pedal. I'm chasing Shabbat the cheddar. I really know Mexican start, I call all of them help. We up, you can go shake the record, cause lately I really been ballin', I'm feeling like Steph. Sit back, let me teach you a lesson. You run up on Big X to plug and get hit with this web. Want the Glock, the AR, or the Wesson, but I still beat your bitch ass like it's Marvel or Tech. Teach her spray every day to the river. She know that I'm out on my last and her son been a fella. Think he sweet, put a hole in his melon. And I probably beat the little case cause we don't do no telling. To the lost, boy, I'm something like hell. These niggas be hooping and hollering, boy, fuck how they yelling. We bout to come check out my section. Taliban shit, but you know it's 600, I'm ready. In my hood, boy, I'm something like a legend. You can't join the gang if you ain't known for shooting the step. Where he play, that's the same place we left him. Was being too extra, I hate that the gang had to stretch. Been popping my shit on a whole nother level. You playing, get sent to the devil. These bitches been on me, I swear they keep calling my phone. I'm like, hold on, let me check the schedule. If she get time of day, then I had a good place, so I'm back at the spot. She getting big like a press. These niggas be soft on the bitch, but turned up off a purse. Boy, I'm solid and stand on whatever. See, I really been popping my shit on a whole nother level. You playing, get sent to the devil. These bitches been on me, I swear they keep calling my phone. I'm like, hold on, let me check the schedule. If she get time of day, then I had a good place, so I'm back at the spot. She getting big like a press. These niggas be soft on the bitch, but turned up off a purse. Boy, I'm solid and stand on whatever.
Oh yeah. Breakfast time I stand across the table at an empty chair. Life so lonely living without you. The whole day I just think
Hey, yo,
about
Donovan, heat that up.
Hey, turn me up a little bit more in the headphones. Shit changed. Remember the change in my pocket, now we hit the club and it rain. Remember them days, being the hood superstar, now the whole city saying my name. I can't fuck with these lanes, cut off a handful of partners, them niggas weren't rocking the same. But it's part of the game, they hate when you reaching the top, they be throwing the salt on my name. I'm forever the same, these niggas switch for a bitch, but I'm solid, that shit in my vein. And I'm repping the gang, if it ain't Crip or the 6, bitches Taliban gang, what I claim. I been locked in the cage, told my T. Jones before I win, I'll be damned if I mention some names. But they can't say the same, cause these niggas quick just to snitch on the nigga that's bleeding the game. Like maybe you lame, and we are not all built the same. You a bitch, boy, you told on your game. I just stay in my lane, just spent a little 30 on change. If he reached, then I'm blowing his brain. How the fuck can you claim that you my day one when I win in that cell, you ain't look at my name? But they can't say the same, cause I'm a big solid ass nigga, not on me, that shit in my veins. Hey. And this shit really just getting ridiculous, like I'm really just getting better and better. Better than ever.